In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve my photos from Dropbox and laptop. To get started, open your web browser on your laptop and go to the official Dropbox website. Once the page loads, sign into your Dropbox account using your login details. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because your photos will only appear in the account where they were originally uploaded. After logging in, give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see your files and folders. Next, you'll need to find the photos you want to retrieve. On the left-hand menu, click on Files. This will show you the main file area of your Dropbox account. From here, open folders where your pictures are most likely stored, such as photos, camera uploads, or any custom folder you may have created in the past. If you're not sure where the images are, use the search bar at the top and type in common image formats like JPG or PNG, or search by the name of the photo if you remember it. This can save time, especially if your Dropbox contains a lot of files. Once you've found the photo or folder you want, it's time to download it to your laptop. Click to select the image or folder, then right-click on it and choose Download. Dropbox will begin preparing the file, and depending on the size of the photo or folder and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the download finishes, the file will usually be saved automatically in your laptop's Downloads folder unless your browser is set up differently. After that, open File Explorer on your Windows laptop and go to the Downloads folder. Look for the image you just downloaded, then double-click it to open it. In most cases, it will open in the Photos app automatically, allowing you to view it right away. This is a good way to confirm that the file downloaded correctly and is easy to access on your laptop. If you want to retrieve several photos at once, you can do that too. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking multiple photos to select them. After selecting everything you want, right-click and choose Download. Dropbox will package those files into a zip file before downloading them. Once it's saved to your laptop, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and select Extract All. This will unpack the photos so you can open and use them normally. And that's how to retrieve your photos from Dropbox on a laptop.